Welcome, guys. Welcome to Civil Engineering General Knowledge. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, share, comments, and also press the bell icon for the more updates. Let's start on the floor. Here we can provide floor. Select by rectangle this portion. Guys, we do some guys, we provided a roof floor for this our module. Now going for 3D warehouse, I want to import a car, 3D car from here, 3D cars. I can select one. Let's some more cars, searching for that. Let's okay, guys, we can take this one. It's just an example to understand how to import the 3D objects from 3D warehouse, and this floor plans and this 3D model also just was as a simple example. It was not as a standard size and all these things. Just for the understanding, I am just guiding these things. Once this download progress is completed, this directly goes to the home page of our module. We can do the adjustment on here. Okay, guys, now the car is here. We move it here, move here. We can rotate it to a 90-degree and move inside our garage here. Guys, we can also resize it. Now, okay, as example, just for understanding, we done here. It's done. Guys, want to just as example, I want to import a door here, 3D door, going 3D warehouse. Type here 3D door. Some seconds, the loading the we choose one door from here. We can download this. Yes, see, guys, this is going directly to our module here. We can do scaling. We can resize it to required dimension. We can move, copy and paste it here also. This door here, right away here. Yes, we can resize if needed. This is a smaller size door. Move. This is a scaling size. Yes guys, this is door is installed here. This same door, want to copy and paste it here. Control, press control, move tool, press control and copy it here. We can use the rotate tool to rotate to 90-degree. Now move tool, take it here and install to this opening. Yes, here it is our required. As I mentioned earlier, we can turn it to wireframe or hidden lines to see properly. Now we can provide a lintel level for this. We can do the rectangle for here. By using push pull. Push pull tool, we can bring it down our lintel level. See guys, our lintel level has been provided. We can do the roofing. See, this door is not properly adjusted. Now this we can provide a roof for this and for parking also. This entire. Now we can resize a little bit this. Guys, this is a very simple. It's not a standard floor plan that we developed in modeling in the 3D. Just for understanding purpose, we just created these tutorials. We can also here do the parapet wall by using push-pull tool. We can build a 50 centimeter parapet wall. Just hover over the wall and double click, automatically goes up. Or we can take the reference from this. We can take from here easily. This is our parapet wall. We will fix this issue also. These walls are not required here. Guys, our parapet wall is created. Now we want to go into pin packet tool. We can select a material from here We use asphalt and concrete. This is concrete. This is concrete. Concrete aggregate is more. We can do the terrace by concrete. All boards doing concrete, and this parapet also apply concrete. All parts concreted. Again apply it here, concrete. Guys, this is our terrace. Now we go in edit. Now if we increase this number, now it really looks like a concrete terrace. Now we want to color this. Going to select, choose color, and now we want to color this walls. We choose color and do then the coloring from here. Concrete, asphalt, concrete material, concrete. This portion is remained unselected. That's why, guys. Guys, this was a tutorial just for understanding the procedure and modeling. And this is not a standard size. Again, it needs some adjustment, guys. Some extra lines needs to remove. See this line, it's the extra. This up portion, you see this again. Guys, this tutorial is just for understanding. You should practice hard work to able to do this modeling. If we zoom in or zoom out, if we go to this zoom extent, it will normally bring it to a shape. Guys, this was a quick tutorials for this session modeling. Till next tutorials, bye bye. Guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, comments, share, and press the bell icon. Thank you.